Now that we've perfected the perpetual vaping machine, on to the next endeavor. Dr. Glycol, if you don't mind.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Now, as you already know, the Techno Mango is strong and amazing flavor. One I'm quite fond of myself. A drip in the tank, a drop in the mouth. Voila! Perfection. Or is it?
What are you getting at, Doctor?
What if I told you we could make the mango that loves the techno stronger? Yes, we can make it the most amazing, powerful, and delicious flavor ever.
Is that really necessary, though? I mean, we have so many other flavors that we need to engineer, and Techno Mango is actually fine the way that it is.
Nonsense! We must, in the name of science. We have the technology, we can make it faster and better.
Where have I heard this all before? In any case, Dr. Glycol, this sounds like the work of a mad scientist. Is this even ethical?
Of course! We simply rearrange the molecular structure of the Techno Mango by bombarding it with gamma rays blended with serum derived from the blood of the spider monkeys we found in the mountains of the Himalayas, and top it off with some bacteria we found on an asteroid or something.
Yeah, science. Don't. You go along with your experiment, Doctor, but something about all this seems off. I'll be keeping an eye on you, Dr. Glycol.
Of course. Nothing can possibly go wrong.
I quit.
Everything is going wrong! Your experiment on Techno Mango turned into a fruit-flavored rampage! Yeah, idiot! You were so preoccupied with whether you could or couldn't, you didn't stop to think if you should!
Where have I heard that? This was not in my computations. It's not only harder to contain, it's also better, faster, and stronger than we could have comprehended.
Come on now! Now I know I've heard that before! Listen, Dr. Glycol, what are you gonna do about this?
We only have one option. Over the course of this experiment, I created a contingency plan. Yes, we must freeze the mango with these cryo-guns. See? Yeah.
Where did you get the funding for this? I hate you on so many levels.
In essence, we must make the mango cooler.
Who are you talking to?
On my mark, we freeze. Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, fire! Yes, just like that. Just don't cross the beams. Never cross the beams.
If one more person quote the movie, I swear to Tom Selleck!
We've almost done it.
Hell yeah! Guys, wait. I think we've done it.
Oh, hell yeah. Thank God.
See? That wasn't so...
You're fired.
Yes, understandable, yes.
Yeah!
Have you just the free spin? Strike a pose, yes. No, okay. You have my number.